Welcome to our guide on performing basic text operations in Microsoft Word. In this video, we'll show you how to open, save, and manage documents, as well as use essential editing tools like cut, copy, paste, and find and replace. To open an existing file, click on the File tab and select Open. Here, you'll see a list of recent documents that you worked on. If the file you need isn't listed, click Browse to search for it on your computer. Word supports multiple file formats, including .docs, .pdf, and .rtf. If you open a PDF, Word will attempt to convert it into an editable format. Once you've made changes to your document, it's important to save your work. Press Ctrl+S to save instantly. Alternatively, click on File, then Save. To save a copy with a new name or format, click File, then Save As. Choose a different location or rename the file. You can also save your document in different formats, such as .docs, .pdf, or .rtf, depending on your needs. Editing text in Word is easy with the cut, copy, and paste commands. Cut, Ctrl+X, removes the selected text and places it on the clipboard. Copy, Ctrl+C, duplicates the text without removing it. Paste, Ctrl+V, inserts the copied or cut text into a new location. Word also includes a clipboard feature that stores multiple copied items. You can see it by going to the Home tab and clicking on the arrow in the lower right corner of the clipboard group. Finding specific words in a large document is simple using Find. Press Ctrl+F, then type a word or phrase in the search box. Word will highlight all instances in the document. If you need to replace a word throughout the document, use Replace by pressing Ctrl+H. Enter the word you want to replace, type the new word, and click Replace All to update every occurrence. That's it for working with existing files and basic text operations in Word. Today, we learned how to open and save files, use cut, copy, and paste, and navigate documents efficiently with Find and Replace. Thanks for watching, and happy writing!